I would like to take the time to thank I Like Hair for sponsoring today's video. So I Like Hair sent me over this beautiful bob wig. So I want to go over the contents that came in the package. It did come with a ragtail comb. It also came with a little cute little orange package that included the edge band. It also included an edge brush, so you could do your little edges up or whatever. It came with 2 clips, and it also came with this little cute little I Like Hair clip. I thought that was too cute. So let's get into this wig. So this wig only has an adjustable band. It does not have any combs or anything of that nature. The lace is really good, but what I want to show you guys the most is these edges. Baby, these are kinky edges. So no matter what your hair texture is, I Like Hair has the wig for you. So I decided to wash this wig, one, because I see that the curls are very uniform and I want to see how the hair actually behaves once it's been washed. And then 2, I just needed to wash it. I saw something in the hair, some type of powdery substance. I wasn't really sure what that was, so it needed to be washed. So if you are to purchase this wig, if you do see some type of powdery substance in the hair, just go ahead and wash it and the hair will behave just fine. The hair did not have a smell to it. And also the only con about the wig so far is that the wig sheds. So here's a clip of me just showing you how the wig is shedding by me rinsing the hair out. Alright, this is the next day. This is after I have allowed the hair to air dry overnight. This is what the hair looked like. Baby, I love it because y'all know me. I love anything. I love any type of hair that has volume. So yeah, I was in love with the wig. So I went ahead and took my powder foundation and I went ahead and tinted the lace. This is a 5x5 closure. So I want to make sure I can get this wig to look as natural as possible. And one of the ways to do that is to use your foundation on your wig. You can use liquid or you can use powder. I decided to go in with powder. Let me just tell y'all this. When I finally got the wig on my head, I was in love. Like, this hair mimics my real hair to the T. Like, that looks like my natural hair, except my hair is not as thick. I wish, but it ain't. But look at it. You can see the baby hairs. You can see the texture of the hair. It's a little big right now because, of course, I air dried it and I kind of manipulated it a little bit by putting the foundation powder on it. But the hair is beautiful. Now I'm just taking a spray bottle with just water. That's just water. There's no conditioner in it. There's nothing else. And look how those curls are just popping back into place. When I tell y'all this hair is bomb, like, I was so shocked. And I guess I was so shocked because if you see the front of my hair, how much bigger it is from the back, I wasn't expecting those curls to be so juicy and pretty just by putting water on it. So I do want to show you guys that you do have the option to wear your baby hairs just like this if you choose to. Okay, so this hair was a lot kinkier than I expected. So I decided not to wear my hair like this. But if this is your textured hair and if you want to, you do have that option to do so. I just want to give you guys a visual of how the hair can look, because you could just wear this hair like this and go on about your day. But I'm being extra. I'm gonna go ahead and use this adhesive spray to kind of hold this hair down, because this hair does not have any clips. And I was going somewhere this particular day, so I need to make sure that this wig did not move. So for my styler, I decided to go in with my Cream of Nature curling gel. Because this hair mimics my real hair so well, I figured that I can do like a wash and go. That was my whole thought process when I was applying this wig. So I went ahead and installed the curling gel all over the hair, pretty much just like I sprayed the hair down with water. I'm just going to do the same thing except using the curling gel. And then this is what your hair will look like once you're finished putting the product all over your hair. And again, with the baby hairs, you do have the option to kind of cut them down a little bit if you don't want to wear them like this. I just want to give you guys a way that you can wear your hair with the kinky edges. So the kinky edges wasn't for me, so I decided to kind of go in and flat iron them. And then I went ahead and laid my edges to the best of my ability. I did not show that process because, baby, your girl, I need to take a baby edge class or something because it wasn't happening. But again, I do want to thank I Like Hair for sending me over this wig. I absolutely love it. This is their Wear and Go Juicy Coil with Kinky Edges 5x5 pre-cut lace short bob wig. So I decided not to do the wet look. I went ahead and air dried my hair. Lies. I dried it, but I did it on a cool setting. That's what I meant. I went ahead and dried my hair because, again, I'm trying to reflect a wash and go as if it's my natural hair. Once I was done blow drying my hair, when I tell y'all, like, I was literally in shock. Like, I just was not expecting to have a wig, a bob wig at that literally mimics my hair. I was in shock. Now, as far as for the baby hairs, because I know one of y'all, somebody's gonna ask, why didn't you put any styler in the baby hairs? I actually did. I didn't show it on camera. I did put some in there, but the hair didn't it didn't curl, it didn't do anything. So I felt like it was best for me, and my preference was to just flat iron it because this was the look that I was going for. I was trying to mimic my real hair, but I did want to show you guys how to wear it with it being kinky. So a few days went by and I decided, you know what, I want to actually wash this wig again, and I'm going to style it in a way that I actually wear the kinky edges out instead of flat ironing them and laying them down. So this particular day I went ahead and washed it. Instead of doing a part down the middle, I decided to kind of do like a I guess you could say like a flip over method. I tried to make the part as precise as possible without using a hot comb. I didn't want to put any heat on it because I was trying to go for that natural look, like as if I rolled out of bed and looked in a mirror. Like I wanted that look. So I wasn't trying to have like a part that was just real precise. And like, look at it. I love it. This hair is so bomb, y'all. Like I really, truly like this hair. And so as y'all can see, the baby edges I did not touch. I left them kinky. Tell me what y'all thoughts. Are y'all more of a kinky type texture baby edge, or do you like your baby edges to be laid to the T? Let me know. So I decided to go ahead and switch the style up again. So I went ahead and used the clip that I Like Hair sent me, and I was like, okay, let's go with this look. Let's push the hair back in the front and like give baby edges. Like, let's give it to the girls. The hair is so versatile, so I really wasn't sure which way I wanted to go with it. I was just trying to play with it to find a way that I may like it, may like wearing the kinky edges, just trying to get a feel for it. So again, if this is your thing, definitely let me know in the comment section below. If not, that's fine. I'm just trying to give you girls options, different ways to style the hair. Alright guys, this is the finished product. I do want to thank I Like Hair again for sponsoring today's video. All the details for this wig will be in the description box below, along with any discount code that I may have. I hope you guys like this video. Tell me, do y'all like it with the kinky edges, or do y'all like it with the baby hairs laid? Let me know in the comment section down below. Until next time, bye!